Lemon crinkle cookies are the perfect way, a delightful treat that promises to brighten any day, to bring a burst of sunshine into your kitchen. Imagine the cheerful aroma filling your home as these cookies bake, a scent that instantly lifts the spirits. With their bright, zesty flavor, they offer a refreshing twist on the classic cookie. The lemon zest infuses every bite with a tangy sweetness that's simply irresistible. And crackled powdered sugar coating, each cookie boasts a unique, eye-catching appearance. The delicate cracks in the sugar create a beautiful, almost artistic effect. They're as pretty as they are delicious. These cookies are not just a treat for your taste buds, but also a feast for your eyes. Bite in and you'll find a soft, cake-like center, a delightful contrast to the slightly crisp exterior. That's simply irresistible. The texture is so tender and moist, it practically melts in your mouth. These cookies are easy to make, even for beginners, so don't be intimidated if you're new to baking. And the process is fun for all ages. Get the whole family involved and create lasting memories in the kitchen. The magic happens in the oven, as the heat transforms simple ingredients into something extraordinary, where the dough transforms into beautifully crinkled treats. Watch in amazement as the cookies puff up and develop their signature cracks. They're a crowd pleaser, ideal for sharing, whether it's a casual get-together or a special occasion, gifting or enjoying with a cup of tea. They make a thoughtful and delicious present for friends and loved ones. You can tweak the recipe to your taste, add more zest for tang, for an extra zing that will awaken your senses, or a hint of vanilla for warmth. A touch of vanilla extract can add a comforting and inviting note to the cookies. Let's get started and bake a batch of these sun-kissed cookies together. Get ready to fill your kitchen with the delightful aroma of lemon and create a batch of cookies that will bring joy to everyone who tastes them. Before we dive into the delightful process of baking, it's absolutely essential to ensure we have all our ingredients prepped and ready to go. This will make the entire baking experience smoother and more enjoyable. So, let's gather our ingredients for these irresistible lemon crinkle cookies. Having everything measured out beforehand, also known as mise en place, is a baker's best friend. You'll need 200 g plain flour. This forms the base of our cookies, providing the necessary structure. 1 TSP baking powder, which is our leavening agent, giving the cookies a light and airy texture. 150 g caster sugar, for that perfect touch of sweetness and a delicate crispness around the edges. 60 g unsalted butter, softened, ensuring it's at room temperature is key for easy creaming and a tender crumb. 1 large egg to bind all the ingredients together and add moisture. 1 fresh lemon, zest and juice, the star of the show, providing that bright, citrusy flavor. And 1 TSP vanilla extract, enhancing the overall flavor profile with its warm notes. For the signature crinkle effect, prepare 2 bowls, 1 with caster sugar for the first layer of coating, 1 with 100 g icing sugar. This will create the beautiful cracks as the cookies bake. The flour gives structure, baking powder lifts, and sugar sweetens, each playing a vital role in the cookie's texture and taste. Butter adds richness, while the egg binds and gives chewiness, creating a delightful mouthfeel. The lemon is the star. It's what makes these cookies truly special. Wash it well, as you'll use both zest and juice, ensuring you get every bit of that vibrant lemon flavor. Vanilla rounds out the flavor, adding a touch of warmth, and the double sugar coating creates those signature cracks that make these cookies so visually appealing. With everything measured, prepped, and ready, let's move on to the exciting part, mixing the dough and bringing these lemon crinkle cookies to life. Start by creaming the softened butter and caster sugar until light and fluffy. Add the egg and vanilla extract, mixing until smooth. Zest the lemon directly into the bowl, then squeeze in about 2 tablespoons of juice. In a separate bowl, whisk together flour and baking powder, plus a pinch of salt. Gradually fold the dry ingredients into the wet mixture. Don't overmix. The dough will be soft and sticky, just as it should be. This citrusy dough is now ready for its crucial chill. Let's get it into the fridge. Cover the dough and chill for at least an hour. This step is key for perfect crinkles. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius, 160 degrees Celsius fan, and line 2 baking trays. Scoop walnut-sized balls of dough, roll them first in caster sugar, then generously in icing sugar. Place them on the trays, spaced apart. Bake for 10-12 minutes until the edges are set and the tops are beautifully cracked. The centers should remain soft. Don't overbake. Let the cookies cool on the tray for a few minutes, then transfer to a wire rack. Admire those gorgeous crinkles as they cool. Once the cookies have had ample time to cool, allowing their delicate structure to set, your delightful lemon crinkle cookies are officially ready to be enjoyed and shared. The aroma alone is enough to make anyone's day a little brighter. Their bright, crackled tops, a testament to the perfect bake, make them a showstopper, ideal for elegant tea parties, thoughtful homemade gifts, or simply as a beautiful addition to any dessert spread. They pair perfectly with a comforting cup of Earl Grey tea, the citrus notes complementing the bergamot beautifully, or savor them as a sweet treat all on their own, a little burst of sunshine in every bite. For a truly special dessert experience, elevating the simple cookie to new heights, serve them warm with a scoop of creamy vanilla ice cream, creating a delightful contrast of temperatures and textures, or add a spoonful of tangy lemon curd for an extra layer of lemony goodness. To maintain their delightful softness, store any leftover cookies in an airtight container at room temperature. They'll stay wonderfully soft and flavorful for up to 5 days, ready to brighten your day whenever you need a little treat. These cookies are incredibly easy to make, wonderfully forgiving in the baking process, and are guaranteed to bring a smile to the face of anyone lucky enough to try them. So give them a bake, share a little sunshine with those you love, and enjoy the simple pleasure of a homemade treat. Happy baking, everyone!